nosotros queremos Filandon mucho. Y muchas gracias para visitar Ruurlo. Eso es la primera vez en Holanda, pero no es la última vez. Quiero que la grupo y tú volverás un año a Ruurlo. ¿Sí? En ik wil dat, dames en heren, niet zonder dat ik ze een cadeau aanbied. Thank you very much. We have a little present for you. Don't drink too much. And I hope you will come back very, very soon to Holland and to Ruurlo. Thank you very much.
Dankeschön. Thank you very much. My group and me, we are very happy to stay here with you, with the people of Ruurlo. It was a pleasure to dance for you. The people of Ruurlo is incredible, marvelous. He likes our music, our folklore, and we are very proud to stay here and show you our folklore, our dances. And we have a present for your group, for the director of your group. Is the figure of our group to put in your local. And we have another one for Heike, because he helped us with all dancers, translated our dances and working with us. So one for your group. Gerard.